So the next one is common type system. So the common type system makes sure that different .NET languages like C# and VB.NET can understand each other by converting their data type into a common format. So the common format is nothing but the MSIL. This ensures smooth communication between them. The CTS is managed by the common language runtime. Now let's see if C# and VB.NET data types can be compiled into a common base type. To check this, we will write example in both C# and VB.NET now. So one code is written in C# and the another code is written in VB.NET. So the data type is used are int and integer. So in C#, the data type is int for digit, and in VB.NET, we called it as an integer. So when code gets compiled by the compiler by the respective programming languages, so it gets converted into the int32. So in MSIL, both data types gets converted into the common type, that is nothing but the int32. So this is the C# example. So here we have taken one class which contains static void main method, and we have declared one integer variable which contains value 42, and we are just printing that value on console. So this is the VB.NET example. So in VB.NET, we are also declaring one variable number as an integer, and this is the data type, and the 42 is assigned to that particular variable. So finally, after compilation uses the same structure in 32 from CTS. A compiler is a type of software tool that translates human readable programming language code, that is C# and VB.NET, written in high-level programming languages like as C, C++, Java, into a machine-readable code that a computer central processing unit can understand and execute directly. So that is MSIL code example. When we compile the code from C# and VB.NET compiler, it gets converted into the common type, which is MSIL. So both code gets converted into this MSIL code, that is common format. So this is the high level diagram. So here we can see there are different programming languages which are compatible with the .NET framework like C# code, F# code, and Visual Basic or VB.NET. So there is, for each programming language, there is a respective compiler over there. So when compiler compile this code, gets converted into the common language intermediate code, that is also called as MSIL. Then common language runtime comes into the picture when we execute the exe or DLL. Then this MSIL code gets converted into the machine code, which can be understood by operating system with the help of JIT compiler. So common language runtime CLR use JIT compiler, which will convert common intermediate language code into the machine code.